Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of NIO INC Class A ADR shares. So if you look at this particular script, what you can see here is a sharp jump because although the data is available since 2018, later part of the 2018, so there is a limitation of data. But anyhow, so if you look at this chart, the, the stock has made its low on 30th of September 2019. Since then, the stock has already given a return of 1388 odd percent. So it's anyhow phenomenal that how any scripts available in equity market are giving you multifold returns, which if you look 10 years back, maybe big investors are expecting those kind of big returns in a span of 10 years to 15 years. Now you're getting the same thing in a span of 1 month to 5 months. So this is indeed very phenomenal. So the time cycle has just sloshed and squeezed by 1/10 of its previous size. Okay, so understand this thing. I'm always saying the same thing again and again. This is one of those phases where you need to be cautious. Why cautious? Is because if you are getting these kind of returns, so you should know your start and your end point, because you need to save your profit. Okay, if you think the stock will go higher, that's a different thing. But if you think that you have a start point and you have an end point, and that end point has already came much before than you have anticipated, then you should realize and analyze those situations and act accordingly. Okay, so that's the thing you need to understand. So if you look at this chart with these kind of returns, one thing you should know or you should understand is that this stock is going against the gravity. Okay, when it is going up and it is going much faster than anybody could anticipate, it is going against the stock market's gravity or much above. It's like propelling a rocket. Okay, so analyze the trend. That's what I mean to say here. So let me just draw the support lines and tell you. So here the most important and your immediate support will be at 16.91, and if it breaks 16.91, the next upcoming support will become at around 10.89 to 9.44. Now this is a very crucial point. Okay, just have a look at this gap. There is a tendency that stock will come back, retest the gaps, whether on the upper side or on the downside. Okay, so if there is a gap up, stocks will come down. If it doesn't matter whether it will come couple of months back or couple of years back, so it will come down and retest the gaps. If there is a gap down, then what will happen? The stock fills the gap and moves up again. Okay, so fundamental does play an important role, but this is the nature of gaps. So one should be very aware about these gaps. Okay, that's why I'm saying that you should know your support and your resistance level. Now, one more important support level which you need to know is this one. Okay, I'm not here for uh, any negativity, but let me just explain the support and resistance level. That's it. So the first important support level is at 16.91 or 17, afterwards 10.89, then 9.44 and 5.72. Okay, now the question is, how long or where this particular script should move, or where does it leads to. So we don't know the answer. We frankly don't know the answer. We can't say that this is the end, that is the end, and it has risen enough. But what we do know is this. Okay, if you look at this trend, there is a vertical rise and the stock is going up. So till the trend remains, the stock continues to goes up. That is the thing you need to understand. Obviously you have to manage this line by swinging like this. Okay, now if the stock goes up pretty much straight or a small correction, so you have to adjust the line. But understand this, till the stock moves on the left side of this line here in this range, the trend continues. Once the stock goes on the other side of the line like this, then a trend consolidation or correction may occur. We don't know, but there is a possibility that this will happen. Okay, understand this and plan accordingly. So that's the thing you need to understand, observe and analyze. Obviously you have made lots of money if you have invested a couple of months back, but let the price decide when it will or it won't to break the trend. Till the trend intact, you should go along with the momentum, but with a pinch of salt, which is known as risk. If you are unable to understand and minimize your risk, you are putting your entire profit at stake. So this is the thing or the important summary which you need to understand here. But anyhow, if you are looking at this stock is going very strong. The chart is indeed very strong and the trend is indeed very strong, because we are looking at a weekly chart. So though the representation is small, but the trend is very strong. So keep up with the trend. Once the trend tells that it is about to go into a consolidation, or you are getting a sense from the stock price itself, then you can move to the other side of the range, or think that whether it is enough for you or what do you want to do with that or at that time. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.